Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials, a working phone or an alternate email, and a clear purpose for this Google account. Once ready, open accounts. Google. And click Create Account, choosing personal or business to get the right defaults. Enter your name and a username that's professional and memorable. Avoid dots if you want simplicity. Create a strong, unique password and record it securely. Make sure to add a recovery email or phone now so you can regain access if you get locked out. Next, verify your identity. Google will send a code to the phone or email you provided. Type it in promptly. Once verified, move into account settings to adjust privacy and data controls. Disable or limit location and web and app activity if you prefer less tracking. Enable two-step verification to add a second layer of security. Choose SMS for convenience or an authenticator app for stronger protection. Also generate backup codes and store them offline. These steps reduce risk and simplify future recovery. Finish by personalizing your profile photo and filling optional recovery fields so contacts and services recognize you. Sign into Chrome and sync bookmarks if you want cross-device continuity, and link this account to Android or Workspace tools as required. Run Google's security checkup to confirm recent activity and app permissions. If you ever can't access the account, don't panic. Try the recovery email or phone first, then use backup codes. If that fails, follow the account recovery flow, providing previous passwords and account creation details to prove ownership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.